In fact, that's why I tell you to not use devices before bedtime, because when they release blue light, you actually have a decrease of melatonin secreted naturally inside your brain, thereby making it more difficult to fall asleep. Now, melatonin supplements can work in several conditions, and I use them regularly with my patients. For jet lag, when traveling to a new country and you want to reset your circadian rhythm, supplements, great way to do that. Second, in delayed sleep wake phase syndrome, where you have an individual who constantly cannot fall asleep before 2 to 4 a.m., and then they're waking up really late in the day. Melatonin supplements can play a role here. Now, I'm not suggesting that you start self-medicating in all of these instances, but it's definitely a good idea to bring up melatonin with your doctor if you're suffering from one of these two conditions. Saline nasal sprays, also known as good old salt water. And I can't believe some of these companies are charging what they charge for a little bottle of water. Granted, they buffer it so it's not as irritating to the nasal passageways, and it's in a great delivery system, so I won't hate too much. That being said, nasal saline is an absolute godsend. Whether we're talking about sinus infections, colds, allergies, it does a great job at washing out your nasal passageways, thereby clearing your nasal passageways so that you can breathe. I wish we could all just swim in the ocean and clear our sinuses and passageways like that, but not all of us have an ocean near us, so for those who don't, nasal saline spray.